Okay, so let me show you the Add Marker Numbers tool of the community library of automation blocks. I'm sorry for the bad audio quality. I'm currently traveling and don't have my recording equipment with me. You can see in my test sequence here I've got some markers, some with a built-in duration and some without a duration. And now if I run this tool, below these markers it adds numbers, such that in the preview, when you take a look in the timeline, here you can see a 1 for the first marker and here a 2 for the second marker. And you can see if the markers have a duration, the numbering clips, so here are MOGRTs, motion graphics templates, which create these numbers. They have exactly the same duration as the markers. And here markers without a duration, the duration of the MOGRT goes until the start of the next one. So you can see here you've got the 2. And here you've got the 3. Here's the next MOGRT starting. Yeah, this is one clip, this is the other. And then the last one, if the last marker doesn't have a duration, it goes until the end of the sequence. So it works well with markers with duration and with markers without duration. You can customize the start number. So if the first marker should have the number 5 instead of 1, you can put it here. The margin size and so on adjusts how these MOGRTs, how the MOGRT is looking. You can also, of course, change this in the essential graphics properties for each clip individually later. But this is like how all the clips are initialized, what the numbers should look like. This is Add Marker Numbers. It's analogous to Add Shot Numbers. Add Shot Numbers works in the same way, but it adds a number on top of each clip of your sequence instead of each marker. And this is also a very important parameter here. The track for numbers is in this case 3. And this is why the MOGRTs are inserted here in video track 3. So this decides in which track the MOGRTs actually go. This is Add Marker Numbers. I hope you enjoy it. See you in the next tutorial. I'm Matthias for mamoworld.com.